Ouais, merci.
You move out the way.
This is from Purafaz. They all have stuff. Everything's here and everybody's here from our village. So we got 40 bags for you. Rice, salt, aloo, whatever you said. Everything's here. The chickens are there as well. Picture of the chickens. 40 chickens, okay? The chickens are all. MashaAllah. You know, we need to take the video of it, okay?
Touch the chicken.
Ayo, Ayo,